Montage of massive dump trucks rumbling through mines, hauling tons of earth. America loves big machines, but nothing screams massive quite like these beasts. Today, we're counting down the 10 biggest dump trucks in the world, the heavyweights of the mining industry. From tires taller than a basketball hoop to engines stronger than jet turbines, these machines are built to move mountains. Literally. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's roll out. Top 10 biggest dump trucks in the world. Number 10, BelAZ 75600. Kicking off our list is the BelAZ 75600 from Belarus. This beast hauls a jaw-dropping 360 tons of material in one go. That's like carrying 60 elephants in the back. Powered by a 3,500 horsepower engine, it was once among the most powerful dump trucks on Earth. And with a top speed of 40 miles per hour, it's surprisingly fast for something that weighs over 500,000 pounds. Number 9, Caterpillar 797F. You know we had to include the iconic American-made Caterpillar 797F. Built in the US, this powerhouse can haul 400 tons, making it one of the biggest payload capacities in the game. It's got a 4,000 horsepower V20 diesel engine, and its fuel tank? A mind-blowing 1,000 gallons. That's like filling up 67 pickup trucks. Number 8, Komatsu 980 times 10 to the power of -5. From Japan, meet the Komatsu 980 times 10 to the power of -5, a mix of muscle and modern tech. It hauls 400 tons, just like the Cat 797F, but what sets it apart is its electric drive system. That's right, diesel-electric like a locomotive. This hybrid drivetrain improves efficiency while reducing emissions. Perfect for eco-conscious mining companies. Number 7, Terex MT6300AC. Coming in at number 7 is the Terex MT6300AC, also built in America. This monster hauls 400 tons and weighs over 1.3 million pounds fully loaded. With a 3,750 horsepower engine and all-wheel drive, it dominates rough terrain like a boss. Number 6, Bucyrus MT6300AC. Fun fact, Bucyrus bought Terex's mining division and rebranded this same giant as the Bucyrus MT6300AC. Same specs, same power, but now under a new name. Number 5, Liebherr T284. From Germany, the Liebherr T284 is as elegant as it is massive. With a payload of 400 tons and a lightweight design, it's one of the most fuel-efficient giants out there. Its advanced monitoring systems make sure it's running at peak performance at all times. Number 4, BelAZ 75710. Hold on to your hard hats. This is the largest dump truck in the world by payload. The BelAZ 75710 can carry a staggering 500 tons in one trip. It has not one, but two 16-cylinder diesel engines and 8 giant wheels to handle the load. Number 3, Komatsu 960 times 10 to the power of -1. The Komatsu 960 times 10 to the power of -1 brings together smart tech and raw power. It hauls 360 tons, and like its cousin the 980E, it uses an electric drive system. These trucks are often part of autonomous mining fleets, meaning they can drive themselves. Number 2, Hitachi EH5000 AC3. Japan strikes again with the Hitachi EH5000 AC3. It's Hitachi's largest rigid frame dump truck and can carry 326 tons. With an advanced AC drive system and high-efficiency cooling, it's built for high altitudes and heavy loads. Number 1, Volvo R100E. And rounding out our list is the ultramodern Volvo R100E. While it only hauls 100 tons, it's built for precision, comfort, and safety, ideal for quarry work. With smart suspension and real-time payload management, it's perfect for modern, sustainable operations. From the titans of Belarus to the rugged giants of America and Japan, these dump trucks are true engineering marvels. They don't just move Earth, they shape industries. Which one blew your mind the most? Comment below. And if you love massive machines like this, hit like, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell for more jaw-dropping content.